Rough diamonds are often confused with other natural stones like quartz or cubic zirconia. While professional gemological testing is always recommended, there are several simple at-home tests that can help you identify whether a raw diamond stone may be real or fake. Visual inspection natural shape test. A real raw diamond usually has uneven, rough edges, a greasy or oily surface, natural crystal shapes, octahedron or irregular forms. If the stone looks too smooth, perfectly shaped or glass-like, it is likely not a real diamond. Hap 2. Transparency test. Place the stone over printed text or a line. Real raw diamonds do not allow clear text to be seen through them. If you can read text clearly, the stone is probably quartz or glass. 3. Scratch test. Use with caution. Diamonds are extremely hard. Try scratching glass with the stone. A real diamond can scratch glass easily. This test can damage both the stone and the glass and is not fully reliable. 4. Water density test. Drop the stone into a glass of water. Real diamonds sink immediately. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. This test works best when combined with other methods. Hap 5. Fog test. Breathe on the stone to create fog. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears instantly. If the fog lasts several seconds, it is likely fake. 6. UV light test. Under ultraviolet UV light, many real diamonds emit a blue fluorescence. No glow or strong unnatural colors may indicate a fake. Note, not all real diamonds fluoresce. 7. Weight comparison test. Diamonds are heavier than many imitations. Compare the stone with a similar sized quartz or glass piece. A real diamond feels noticeably heavier. Important warning, home tests cannot guarantee 100% accuracy. Some fake stones pass basic tests, and some real diamonds may fail 1 or 2 tests. For absolute confirmation, take the stone to a certified gemologist, a diamond testing lab, a professional jeweler with diamond testing equipment. Conclusion. Testing a raw diamond stone at home can help you eliminate obvious fakes, but it should never replace professional verification. Use multiple tests together for better accuracy and always seek expert confirmation before buying or selling a raw diamond.